Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today, my older sister requested me to draw Hermione Granger. Of course, I had to accept. I really enjoy reading Harry Potter books, so I was extremely excited to draw this. Although I'm more of a Percy Jackson fan, I think that the Harry Potter series was very well written. I was looking up reference photos for Hermione Granger, and all of them were her either smiling or giving a serious face. This gave me the idea to draw an angry Hermione because I could not find any. Plus, it gave me a reason to draw a fist rather than fingers. All this said, let's go see what I made. When I drew this, I didn't want to have a plain old angry standing person. I thought it could be an angry Hermione because someone took a photo she didn't like. She's pointing her wand at whoever took it. Before I reveal the final piece, I decided to take a quiz on how much I know about Harry Potter. I thought I didn't know that much, so the fact I got a 66 surprised me. Okay, so I found this quiz where it shows how much of a Potterhead you are. What beast is hidden in the Chamber of Secrets? Basilisk. I watched the movie. Which dragon must Harry go up against in the Triwizard Tournament? These all look the same. What is it? I don't know this. What's a Chinese? That looks the most normal. Oh, I know this one. Who are Harry's only remaining relatives? Again, for those of you who are true Potterheads, I apologize. You're probably screaming at the screen right now for me to get it right. What do Ron and Harry smash into while flying the car into Hogwarts? I remember. They smash into the Whomping Willow because the tree ends up smashing their car after it smashes into them. Who replaces Fudge as the Minister of Magic? Scrimgeour. I don't know how to pronounce his name. What did Fred and George call their business? I mean, not Honeydukes. I know that for sure. That was like the candy shop. His uncle's joke shop doesn't make sense. Let's remember that was another shop. It probably has Weasley's, and I'm guessing it's the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Because I don't recall hearing a pranks galore. Which of the following headmasters / headmistress was loyal to Voldemort? Snape. He was the one with the snake. Who kills Bellatrix Lestrange? Harry Potter? I'm sorry if I got that question wrong. Please don't get mad at me. I don't know this. Deathly Hallows. Wand of oh, yeah, I know this. It's that triangle thing. Looks sort of like the Illuminati. What two languages does Harry speak? I mean, he could be speaking Spanish. You never know. But I know for sure he speaks Parcel Tongue, the language of snakes. Which character is not a muggle? I don't know you. So it's probably you. This is so bad. Wait, what is Dumbledore's scar shaped like? What the? Dumbledore has a scar? Someone explain. Guessing a dragon, because that seems pretty cool. Almost done. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it. 66 correct. Oops. You are a student. Are you proud of me? I am a Hogwarts student.
You know quite a bit, but not enough to be on your own yet, or be trusted with handling magic unsupervised. Please, save yourself the embarrassment and stick to the classroom. Thank you.
To be fair, do you really want me to run around with a magic wand? That would be awful. I asked my sister to take it and she got this, a 91.
Wow, amazing. You know a lot about the wizarding world. You must be very experienced. Who knows? Maybe your name will end up next to Merlin's in the history books someday.
After a bit of drawing, I made this. I tried to do some soft shadows and hard shadows. I think I managed to pull that off. Hermione actually looks pretty good. As for the situations she's in, I imagine it would go like this. So tired. Who did that?
Front page cover of my magazine. Ooh, gotta go.
Come back here. Okay, guys, let's film that last scene again. What happened? I don't get paid enough. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. You can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out at Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!